Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to set up your Netgear EX6120 Wi-Fi range extender step by step using a web browser. It's quick and easy, let's get started. Step 1. Plug in the extender. Plug your Netgear EX6120 into a power outlet near your router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid green. Step 2. Connect to extender's network. On your computer or mobile device, open Wi-Fi settings. Connect to Netgear_EXT, the extender's default Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Open a web browser. Open Chrome, Edge, or Safari. Type www.mywifi.ext.net into the address bar, then press enter. Step 4. Create an account, log in. If prompted, create a Netgear account for first-time setup. If you already have one, simply log in. Step 5. Choose your router's Wi-Fi network. The extender will scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Select your home router's network name, SSID, and enter your Wi-Fi password. Step 6. Set extended network name. You can either keep the same SSID as your router for seamless roaming, or create a new extended Wi-Fi name, e.g., home Wi-Fi_ext. Click Next to continue. Step 7. Apply settings and reboot. The extender will save your settings and reboot automatically. This may take up to 2 minutes. Step 8. Relocate the extender. Unplug and place the extender midway between your router and the Wi-Fi dead zone. Make sure the device link LED is green for a strong signal. Step 9. Connect devices. Now connect your devices to the new extended Wi-Fi network and enjoy a stronger connection. And that's it. Your Netgear EX6120 Wi-Fi extender is now successfully set up and ready to boost your signal. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple Wi-Fi setup tutorials. For instant help, call 605-646-3898.